Morning, students. Now, the topic is soil formation. Soil formation. So, first of all, what is soil? What is soil? Here, the upper layer of the crust. This is upper layer of the crust, the earth surface, and the upper layer of the crust, and in disorganized form. Disorganized substance here. This is known as the soil, where the substance that plants, trees grown in it, that is called the soil. So what is soil? The upper layer of the crust, and here the substance is disorganized. Then here the not disorganized, and here the joint, then also called the stone and the rocks, but here the disorganized, बिखरे हुए होते हैं, scattered होते हैं, that is known as the soil. जो crust का upper part where the substance disorganized, here the scattered substance, that is known as the soil. And the formation of the soil, here the simple process where the simple process, like here this rock, and here the process weathering is the process as weathering, then this rock particles scattered here after the weathering, and here the erosive factor work here, and the erosive factor like the water and others, and these erosive factors क्या करेंगे? Transport them, and here the deposition, and this is here the formation of the soil. तो what is here? असंगठित पदार्थ जो सस्टेन्स होते हैं, उनकी जो अपर लेयर होती है, that is upper layer on the crust, that is known as the soil. Then here the formation of the soil is the simple process. Then here the weathering of the rocks, scattered here the many type of the particles, और ये जो particles हैं इनका क्या हो रहा है? by the erosional factors, और ये क्या हो रहा है? another place deposition in scattered form, that is known as the soil. Clear? According to book here about the soil, you are see plants growing in soil. Growing in soils here, and you play in the ground and come into contact with soil. You touch and feel the soil. You can touch and feel the soil. And soil your clothes while playing. You touch and feel soil, and soil your clothes while playing. Can you describe it? So soil is a disorganized substance. Okay? Soil is a dynamic medium. Here the not stable, here the dynamic medium is the soil, which many chemical, physical and the biological activities go on. And go on constantly. Here the very chemical and the biological and the physical process. Here soil is a result of decay. It is also the medium of growth. Growth here of the plants and the trees. Here it is a changing and developing body, and the soil is not here the stable, the changing according to the weather. Here it has many characteristics that with the seasons के according क्या होता रहता है? Change here the soil. It may be alternatively cold. कभी क्या होता है? Then in the winter season soil is cold here, and the warm and the dry and the moist. Then here the rainfall, then here the moist, then here the not rainfall, then here the dry, and the winter season cold, and the summer season here the characteristics of the soil is warm. So biologically activity, it is slowed or stopped if the soil becomes too cold and too dry. Then here the too cold and too dry. जब ये dry और cold होगा तो क्या होगा? Here the not here the plants and the trees grow in this soil. Organized matter increase when leaves fall or grasses die. और organized matter कब यहाँ पे develop होते हैं? Then here the dry. Then what here? The grasses dry here, and the leaves also dry and mix in the soil. And start here the organize this soil. Organic this soil. Clear? And process of soil formation. Process of soil formation. The simple process. Then have the weathering. Simple process. Have the weathering, and after the weathering have the scattered here, and these particles by the erogenic factor deposition here, and these scattered unorganized particles substance that is known as the soil. The soil formation of the pedogenics depend first on the weathering. जो soil formation depend किस पे कर रहा है? On weathering here. It is the weathering mantle which is the basic input of soil to form first the weathered materials to transport the deposits. Weathered material क्या होगा? Transport here, and here the deposit here, and the formation of the soil here. And the colonies by the bacteria and the other inferior plants bodies like mosses and the lichen. And here the small lichen and mosses here, and also several minor organisms may take shelter. अब इसमें क्या होंगे? Many here the shelter cell, बिल यहाँ पे जो बनाते हैं, shelter within the mantle and the deposits the dead remains organisms, and the plants help in the humus and the accumulation. और इसमें humus कहाँ से increase होगा? Then the dead here the insects, and also here the minor grasses and ferns may grow. सबसे पहले then firstly here the grow minor grasses and the ferns. Then here start to grow. Later here start bushes, and the trees will start growing through the seeds brought by the birds and the winds. So firstly here what develop here? The soil. Then firstly here develop here the small grasses, and after that here by the blowing by wind and the birds, यहाँ पे क्या डालते हैं? Seeds. Then start here the trees. Then start here the growth tree in soils. Then here these roots are in the roots spread in the soils. The plant's roots penetrate down, नीचे जाती हैं, ठीक है ना? And growing animals bring up particles. अब जब यहाँ पे जब शेल्टर बनाते हैं, बेल बनाते हैं, तो जो पार्टिकल्स है मिट्टी के ये क्या आएंगे ना? बाहर की तरफ आते हैं, ठीक है? तो animals bring up particles and mass of materials become pores and the spun like with a capacity of rainwater and the permit the passage of air. Finally mature soil, a complex mixture of the mineral and the organic forms here. So what happened here in this process here, मैं वापस से बताता हूँ आपको क्या हो रहा है. Then rocks here weathering processes, and particles scattered here, and these by the transport here and deposition here, and here the formation of the soil. Not here the जिसे हम बोल सकते हैं active soil. Here the formation of the soil. Then increase here the humus इसमें कैसे increase होता है? क्या जिसे हम कहेंगे fertility कैसे increase होगी इसमें, है ना? Fertilities. Then what happened? Firstly here in the soil only small grasses grown here. Then here the humus, then here the dry season, then the humus increase in this soil. And what happened? Then the birds and weeds. Birds और weeds क्या लाते हैं यहाँ पे? Seeds. और seeds जब यहाँ पे आते हैं, then here the what? Then here the increase the trees. Grow here the trees. And the roots of the trees in the soil के अंदर डाउन यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? Roots and the many type of insects यहाँ पे बिल बनाते हैं, और इसको soil को क्या करते हैं? बाहर की तरफ लाते हैं. Then mature soil complete here. And what pedology and the pedology is known as soil science. Soil science को क्या बोलते हैं? Soil science is known as the pedology, and pedologist the soil scientist. The soil scientist known as the pedologist. Soil scientist known as the pedologist. And here the factors of soil forming. First parent material here the rocks. Parent material क्या था यहाँ पे? Rocks. तो फर्स्टली जो soil formation के लिए हमें क्या चाहिए होता है? Rocks. ठीक है. Then here they start the weathering and the many other topography here the formation and the topography is also responsible for the formation of the soil and the climate the changing climate. They are the same climate, not here the form the soil. Then have the changing climate, the formation of the soil is rapidly. Then have the biological activity and the time also the main factor for the formation of soils. Here the not instant here soil formation, here a fixation of the time have the long period for the formation of the soil. So these are the factors soil forming, affect the soil forming: parent material, topography, climate, biological activity and time.